How many of you still have a clock? A clock hanging on the wall? I know clocks are slowly becoming a thing of the past, kind of like me. A thing of the past, but still has its uses, right? And if you do not have a clock, I'm not going to persuade you probably here to get one. But if you do have a clock and you roll that way, this is going to be really cool because there is a way to customize a clock.
Let me take you guys personally to a fresh tour of display.
So not only will it tell you what time it is, but it will give you an energy boost every time you walk by it. This is going to be dumb. The first thing you're going to want to do is think of something that you like. And you're going to go to the Google, right? And type it in. Oh, say no more. And then you're going to print this out. And you know, I think you know where I'm going with this, but I'm going to beat you there. What you're going to do, print this out, high quality, high resolution, maybe on some photo fancy glossy paper. You know clocks come with faces because somebody installed a face on the clock. Follow me here. So you will get your little screwdriver set that's usually used for fixing your glasses and take it off. Cut this image out so it fits perfectly inside there. And with paper, what I do is I spray mount it. So take it outside, give it a good spray from about 12 inches away, clean out the nozzle, carefully set that thing in there, and squish it with your thumbs, like yay. Tell me that's not awesome. I mean, tell me that's awesome, because it is awesome. Look at this. A little word from Leon every time I pass the clock hanging on my wall. This is from Matilda.
Shit.